Hello, Professor. I'm here with this lab exercise, which is the lab 3. We should create packages for each exercise. For exercise 1, we need to implement the insurance abstract class, and health and life. They are subclasses for insurance, and insurance is the parent class. So in the insurance class, we have in the insurance class we have two variables, which is the first one is a string variable. It holds the type insurance, and the other one is the double type, which is concluding the monthly cost. In the health class, which extends the insurance class, we need to override the abstract members. In insurance, we have abstract members here, such as we have some getter and setters here. Yes, we have abstract void set insurance cost here. Here we have to and also public abstract void display info. So in health and life, we have to override these two abstract members. And also in the display info, we should override and print the insurance information to the into the system.out. We have to get the user information as well. So in the set insurance cost, we have to call the parents constructor. Here we have parent constructor here, so we have to call that. We have name and yes, we have name and cost, I guess. Yes. So we have to override them here, and for life as well. So for life, we have to override them as well. So for exercise 2, I've implemented the game tester. The game tester is the abstract class, which is the parent class of the other two classes: full-time game tester and part-time game tester. So here we have, as you can see, we have abstract method to return the salary. So of course we have to override it to other two classes as well. I have overridden them. So in exercise 3, which was really complicated, so we have mortgage. We have mortgage here, and in the mortgage, which is the abstract class, and also implements the other interface we have here, mortgage constants. Here we have mortgage constants, which is the interface, and in the interface we have a bunch of the variables here. We already defined that. So we have another personal mortgage class, which is a subclass of the mortgage. So we need to override that abstract member here. That's why we should override it. So I decided to override it like this, because we need to get the user input as well. So that's all. These are my 3 exercises. Have a good day, Professor. Thank you.